Are you two planning to celebrate the Christmas just like I will do?
If yes, then congrats. Outdoor picnics, friends, candies, and much more.
If 1 year we would not celebrate Christmas, then what will happen? We get extremely frustrated.
Extremely annoyed.
Or just smash your head on the wall.
Wait, take a glass of water and stay calm. There is already chill outside.
This year was planned to create the history. Not in that way, but in this way.
It was about a year. We were locked in our rooms, but now we are free to do what we want. Now we can celebrate Christmas. Yes!
Imagine you are in the forest at midnight, surrounded by the lions and free to explore the jungle.
Would you prefer to beef dinner or wait till morning until the situations are under control?
I think you got the point.
But the one who is more dangerous than the COVID is the one who is with you, who eats with you, who sleeps with you.
Not your mom and dad, man.
It is your mind who is vibing negative thought and haunting you daily.
You're jealous, frustrated, annoyed, hyper at the same
The
time.
only missing thing is calmness and peace.
And the only one who can make you feel good is Prince of Peace.
Who is he? Don't worry, you're already familiar to him. The thing is to recognize him.
21st century, era of technology, is missing peace. Before we tell you who is Prince of Peace, listen these facts.
According to the Global Peace Index 2018, the global level of peace has gone down by 0.27% in the last year and 2.38% since 2008.
The only film with peace in the title have won an Oscar was a Russian film, Peace and War in 1968. 10 films with war in the title have won an Oscar.
You will find peace not in Daniel but in victory.
Every breath we take, every step we make can be filled with peace, joy, and serenity.
Peace cannot be kept by force, it can be achieved by understanding.
Yeah, I know, it is little philosophical, but true things always makes you think deep.
Sometimes your mind can get peace of mind by just transferring yourself to different situations. They are just reminder to stay calm. At present, our situations and circumstances are same.
Don't let others destroy your inner peace.
Most of all, the Christmas inspires hope. The real Santa Claus existed in the 4th century in an ancient Greek town. His name is Saint Nicholas. He lost his wealthy parents while he was still young. He obeyed Jesus' words to sell what you own and give the money to poor.
Stressful situations occurs, your mind may go in thousands of directions and some of your thoughts may be negative. The more your mind wanders, it will be more difficult for you to stay calm. You stop yourself from beginning to imagine the worst case scenario.
If possible, don't react immediately. Instead, be patient and collect as much information as possible.
Many of the world's great achievers, including entrepreneurs, artists, and athletes, could not have reached their level of success without learning how to stay extremely calm under high pressure.
Once the Jesus said, with man this is impossible, but with God all things are possible.
Don't search for anything except peace. Try to calm the mind. Everything else will come on its own.
Peace begins with smile.
You will find peace not by trying to escape from your problems, but by confronting them courageously.
Peace can become a lens through which you can see the world. Be it, live it, radiate it out. Peace is an inside job.
If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. And if you are at peace, you are living in the present.
Ask yourself, is this really going to matter a year from now? If the answer is yes, step back to remove yourself somewhat from the situation.
Now we are ready to reveal that who is Prince of Peace.
Any guess?
Did you get the hint?
We know we are not mature enough to understand what actually God is, but our conscience says that He is
The Almighty God.
This is true. He is not in a human form with us, but His presence is always there with us.
who is residing in your body since you born. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं जिसे हम देख नहीं सकते वो वहाँ होता ही नहीं है. गॉड के प्रेजेंस को भले हम देख नहीं सकते, बट उसे हम हमेशा फील कर सकते हैं. Thankfully, we hope that we may bring some peace in your life.
May the Prince of Peace bless you.
Until then, Merry Christmas.